Oh my gosh, where did I put it? Hold on 1 second. Wow, really? How can I lose something in 3 seconds? Leave it to me. I sure can. Where did I do with it? Hold please while I get what we're talking about today. So hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. If you are new, allow me to say welcome. Hi. And if you're not, then you already know that's my name. In today's video, we have this. Now, guys, I didn't know this was coming. If you want to see what's in here, then please keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay guys, yes. Oh my gosh, what a rough intro because it's been about 3 weeks, I think, since I sat down and filmed. Not kidding, real 100% truth. Not because, I wanted to, not because anything was really wrong. I mean, yeah, kind of, but not, I did not have a mental vacation or anything like that. What happened was, when I was on my forced vacation, I want to say, I didn't really do anything. I didn't get my blood work done. If you've been with me for a while, you know that I have heart condition. I take medicine that needs labs done, and I'm supposed to go, was supposed to be every week, but I talked to my cardiologist into once every 2 weeks, okay? Which was definitely a feat. So lo and behold, I get a phone call of him screaming and yelling at me, where have you been? It's been 6 months. And he's right, it has been. So I was like, oh my gosh. And for him to call me, it was, he was mad. He was very mad. And now, mind you, my cardiologist has been my cardiologist for 23 years since I was diagnosed with it. He was the actual person who sat me down and told me that, I have these issues with my heart. So he was not very happy. I said, listen, I was going to do it. I was just getting back in the swing. I explained to him about the forced vacation. And he said, I understand that, but this is very, very important. You must get it done. Listen, let me just tell you, my life is like Murphy's Law. It really, really is. Murphy's Law, if you have not heard of it, I will tell you, if anything can go wrong, it absolutely will. They even have a calendar for every single day, and that is me. Something goes crazy. And yeah, that is how my life is. Somebody's once called me a pessimist. I'm not a pessimist. I'm a realist. Because in my life, I prepare for the worst and hope for the best. Because most of the time, the worst does happen. And this way I'm prepared for it. On those occasions where the good thing happens, I'm happy and I'm excited. And that's fine by me. But at least I'm prepared for it. Anyway, got the labs, and sure enough, there was something wrong. So we had to go further with it. I cannot say this word, even though I've had this test like a gajillion times. I'm going to put it up here, but I'm also going to say it because I always say transophical. That's not right. First of all, I had an EKG and then I had an echocardiogram. Those are the two I had done. After the labs came back the second time, not the way he wanted them. Okay, it's transesophageal. That is how you say it correctly. All that is where it goes down your throat and they look at stuff from the inside, okay? Mind you, all through this, your girl's getting her car done. The catalytic converter, remember back way last year, your girl was driving with a 22 sticker on there because I hadn't gotten it inspected. I think it was like a week before I went for inspection. The light went on and it was the catalytic converter. We did get the catalytic converter, but then the money, I had to save up the money to get it put in. And I did have money put away, and then my mom passed. And all that money that I had saved, gone, between my airline tickets and, just all the craziness going on. So I had to start over again. Well, finally I got a ticket. So I had no choice. It was either eat the ticket, pay for it and get in trouble, or the police officer was very nice and said, look, just, you have 10 days to respond. Wait till your 10th day, plead not guilty, and then your hearing will be way out. And by then you have it fixed. He will take back the ticket. And I was like, okay, that's fine. So I've been scrambling. First of all, they gave me the wrong part. Second of all, they wouldn't take the money back for that part. In Pennsylvania, we have a lot of AutoZones, and that is the most popular one where they do the best deals and stuff. So I finally found somebody who worked there that said, listen, we did you dirty. I'm going to do it for you. Whether he was allowed to or not, I don't know, but he did. And that kind of caused a problem because he did it and then transferred stores. They kept saying, well, who did this? What is his name? And I was like, I don't know. I don't pay attention to that kind of thing, right? Unless it came right down to the wire, I was not going to give him up. Because he did save me some money, and I felt bad. And I did tell him, don't do anything you're going to get in trouble for, because I would feel terrible. He's like, no, I'm not worried about it. But when it came time, and I told him, they want to know. And he's like, oh, that could cost me my job. And so I felt really bad. Anyway, long story short, I went when the manager wasn't there, and that's why I got it. Anyway, went down, put it in. The light doesn't shut off. So now it's the O2 sensor. So we get the O2 sensors and then the light shuts off, but it doesn't pass emissions. In Pennsylvania, we have emissions and safety. So we hooked it up to see if it would pass emissions. And I think you're only allowed one blinking red dot. Well, your girl had 3. And he said, go drive to like reset the motor. So that, listen, I haven't had a day to myself. If I sound sick, it's because I am. I am pumped up on cold medicine. Hopefully it will kick in soon. I do have some tea here, okay, so that I can get that frogginess out of my throat. I can hear it and it's driving me crazy. So I apologize for that. That has taken up every waking moment. All I was able to do was do what I did, came home and slept. You know, that was it, really. Had no time to get behind here, guys. No time to edit, and I apologize. I did post over on YouTube about, you know, the tests and all that, and was waiting for the answers. I have the same medicine, but I have another one added. So looks like we're kind of getting down to the wire. I have been staving off this valve change operation for such a long time, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it much longer. Also, during all of this, I have a pinched nerve in this arm. This is the rotator cuff that I never got fixed, right? Well, there's a pinched nerve in there and it is killing me. It was so bad. Like I had to sleep in the recliner for like a week. It just gets so bad by the end of the day. I can't stand it. A lot of problems with my health and like, oh my gosh, that is where I've been. I sat down to do a completely neutral look where I was just going to like, you know, throw some bronzer in my crease and be done. Even though I'm very, very sick, I still need to feel happy, right? I have a bunch of like new products, new that I haven't tried and I've had them. So I want to do that. Okay. Enough of rambling. Why are we here? Now, I don't know when this came. I know it was here when I got home. You know, being in and out, like with the doctors and the blood and the labs and the appointments and all that. And then, of course, out in the heat and sweating and coming back into the air conditioner, your girl caught a heck of a cold while I was in the hospital. So that's why I feel terrible. He tested me. It was not the vid, no. I said, you have to let me out of here. You promised me you wouldn't keep me. I was like yelling at my cardiologist. And he said, all right, look. He said, I can tell you're sick, because I was crabby and I was sniffling and, you know, the whole night. And he said, look, we'll do the test to make sure it's not that. If it isn't, I'll let you go and we'll wait. So we're only waiting for one more test result back. But okay, what are we doing? Yes, Tammy. Tammy sent me, showed you in the intro. You would have seen by the thumbnail. I didn't know this was coming, guys. And I wasn't here to open it. I was in the hospital. So I didn't even really look through my stuff. And the thing about it is it didn't come in its normal packaging. And I do get a bunch of these with like my samples and stuff in it. So I kind of just tossed it to the side. I didn't know. And then when I looked, I was like, oh my God. So Tammy, did I miss an email from you or something? I looked and I couldn't find anything saying that it was coming. So anyway, it is her subscription. And unfortunately, I don't think you can get these because like I said, I didn't know it was here. She did send them over. There's 2 pairs of earrings. Again, remember, this is her earring subscription. $15, that's including shipping and, you know, no tax or whatever, unless you're in the state of Arizona. But shipping is definitely included, and that is almost $4 savings right there. And you do get 2 pairs of earrings. She will always send a card. Now, this says July. Whatever month we're in, let's say July, you can order from the 1st to the end of the night, the 15th, like 12:01, it turns the 16th, it starts new products. I don't know if these are still available. I haven't reached out to Tammy. I just decided, you know, I'm going to do this tonight. Let me get on there, put some kind of look on, go over these, and I wanted to update y'all. Oh, and for whoever didn't have their prizes, whatever prizes need to go out, they're going. I have them packed up. They're all in the boxes. I was trying to get there, guys. I just didn't have my car. I literally had to leave my car in the shop for almost a whole week. You know what I mean? And I didn't have a vehicle. And yeah, I mean, so I coincided everything with that. You know what I mean? Like to stay there to get the test done. And here I go with my nose getting clogged up. Okay, I'm probably going to sound like a duck and there's nothing I can do about it. And I apologize. The medicine's not working. But we do have July. And it is Hoopa Palooza is the theme for July. When I unbox something, I don't know if she's ever going to send it to me again. Probably not. But I'm saying whatever she has, usually whoever is showing the products for that month that are in the subscription will get it early in the month and you will be able to see it and you'll have time till the 15th to order those products. Come the 16th, you will see a new set of products and you can only get those. Again, things ship, and I'm doing this from memory, guys. Things ship out on the 17th of the month, no matter what, unless the 17th is on a weekend or a holiday, then it would be the next available business day, okay? Again, I will leave all the information that I'm telling you in the description box, guys. So if you're interested in anything, now, You can reach out to Tammy. I guess it would be August subscription. It would be considered as of today because we are now past the 15th. Again, this could not be avoided. And I didn't get like a tracking or anything. Normally, I would know that it was coming and I would follow it and I would know what day it's coming here. Do my best to get it up ASAP. At least by me showing you these guys, even though they may not be available, you can get an idea of what she has and what she has coming. And again, guys, I apologize. This was really unavoidable. I mean, there was no way to avoid what was going on. This is what we have here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to hold up something dark. Now, don't mind my messy like phone case because it's in the cradle there. But this is what it looks like. And these, I'm not sure what these are called. Like, I mean, the actual clasps, but let me show you. Let me show you what it looks like here. So this is what they look like. Now, it's this kind of clasp. So these are very, very pretty. They're very simplistic, but they're very pretty. Okay. And they do have like a peachy tone, peachy with a little bit of, I mean, it's just very pretty. They're kind of shifty. So they have this type of clasp where you go ahead. I'm going to put it by my hair so you could see it, like the darkness behind there. You put it through the little hole right here. I was trying to put the bent part in there. Yeah, not good. It's very painful. It's this one. It's just the same size as here, so that is fine. I'm going to zoom you in so you can see it, okay? And we'll go ahead and put this behind it so you can kind of see what it looks like. So it's very pretty. It's very dainty. Very summery. I do like that. They are the Circle of Peach hoops. We have that. That is that one. And again, I will hold up the other one so y'all can see it. So it's very nice, very dainty, very pretty. I like the color. Goes with a lot of things. Neutrals, you know, pair of jeans. You can wear this out. Versatile. Love it. And then we have the second and last pair. Remember, 2 in each one. And I think these are so cool because it says, now this is the name of them. Now, okay, I get why she calls them this, and that is awesome. It is the blue floating hoop earrings. Floating hoop. And this is why. When you hold it up, okay, and the light is not hitting it. Let's just say you're walking down the street. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and put it in. And it does come with the little ear nut, okay? That I know what they're called now. I'm going to put it in this ear, okay, because these are super easy to put in. See? Boom, boom, done. I'm not going to put the ear nut on because, why? I'm not going anywhere. I'll hold it up here so you can see it. These are, again, these are the blue floating hoop. Floating hoop. So it's almost like fish wire, but not. It's that thin, I want to say. It's not, though. It's definitely some kind of silver metal she has. And when you're walking, when the light, of course, when you don't have it up and you're just holding it up in the air, it's just kind of like you see the blue. You know, when you're walking down the street, nobody's going to see this wire. Like you see just the beads. And I think that is super, super cool. I think these are beautiful. Tammy, good job. Good job. I do like both of them. They're both very pretty. Really, you can wear both of them with jeans. I sure would. Or you can wear both of them like on an evening out. I just think they're very, 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 very pretty. I will zoom you in so you can see what they look like. Yes, they're very, very nice. Good job, Tammy. They are very pretty, and I am so sorry that I didn't get them up. Maybe, I can't swear, but I would reach out to her, okay? I probably will too. I may come back on one of those little short things that we need to do and update you. She may do that this month just because I didn't know it was coming. I don't know. Tammy, hit me up. Did I miss an email somewhere? Because I swear I do not remember you saying that these were coming, and I do not remember getting a tracking or anything. Now, it may not very well have a tracking because of the shipping method, but again, I didn't know it was coming, I promise, and I'm sorry. All right, so that is that. Now, let's quickly go over the prices again. This is a $15 subscription. You are paying for craftsmanship. You are paying for, you know, her love and time and effort and materials, the whole shebang. So, this is what she says, July 2023. Now, what I was saying about, oh my gosh, here I go with my ADD is crazy. You see, right? Maybe, just maybe, I can talk to her. Maybe she will do this. If you guys really, really want these sets of earrings, perhaps she could do it, like, you know, do an extension because I was like getting it up. I don't know how much that would, you know, put her out as far as, you know, mixing her up or anything. Maybe she can do that. I will ask, you know. I'm sure if she has a big demand for it, she may go ahead and say, you know what? Okay, I have 10 subscriptions. So, you know, when they're gone, they're gone. And then we're going to move on to August. But yeah, I need to reach out and find out. But okay, we have July 2023. That is what it says. It says Hoopapalooza is the theme this month. One pair is stunning blue like the ocean, and the other peachy orange like the sunrise or sunset. The blue floating hoop earrings right here, okay, as you can see. And did I show you the little detail here on the top? You have two little thingy bobs, two little crystals. Let me get my face out of the way. The two little crystals here. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let me turn it this way. Oh, there you go. Okay, you see them there. So you have a little detail there. And then you have the blue. It's very, very pretty. And it is like the ocean. She's absolutely right. These are $16.95. And they are this kind of hoop where you just put it in with your little ear nut. You do get the ear nut with it. Here's mine right here. And then we have the Circle of Peach hoops. The guaranteed value will be down in the description box, guys, because I forget offhand. But again, $15, everything included, shipping and all that, unless you live in Arizona, and then she has to charge tax. Okay, these right here, these are the little hoop earrings. Again, those are the ones I have on right here. Okay, and these are $9.95. Okay, and they do go on with, like, I would use this end to put through your ear because it's very, very skinny, just like the width of this wire itself, and it fits right through my ear. No worries, no problems. Don't do what I do and put these in there. That was not a good idea. I was like, oh, that's like hurting. Yeah, I was doing it wrong. That was just me. Cold medicine. It's $15 and the retail value is $26.90. So that is what you're getting, and it's almost double your money. And again, you are paying for her love, her time, her effort, and her craftsmanship. And Tammy puts a lot of effort into her jewelry. She's like a perfectionist. Like, she doesn't want anything going out the door unless it's perfect. I know, I've seen it. I've heard her on the other end of the phone going, oh my gosh, you know. So there you have it. That is the Unconditional L Studio earring subscription. Again, it's 2 earrings till she says different, and each month will represent something different. She, changes it up. From the 1st to the 15th at 11:59 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, you can order the month that we are in, the month I will be showing you. And then from the 16th till the end of the month, 16th at 12:01 midnight, you will get August's, okay? And everything ships out on the 17th. So July 17th, it will be shipping out for July, unless it's on a holiday or weekend. And then August 17th, you will be getting that subscription, okay? All right, guys. I will leave all the information on how to go in. Also, it is done through PayPal. It is a reoccurring subscription. Once you sign up, you will get an invoice sent to your PayPal every month. Yeah. So there you have it. Thank you, Tammy, for sending it over to me. I am so very sorry that I was not here to actually see it and take it in at the time it arrived. But it was safe. It did get brought in, and I did go through it, but I just didn't know what it was until I looked at it again and saw her name. I really thought it was from Soap Post, is what I thought, because a lot of times I get like perfume samples and stuff in those kind of little bags. Oh, I did get a buzzagent.com freebie, which I'm really excited about, and I'm actually going to start using it because I do have to review it. So there's that. You will be seeing that. And guys, I do have my studio set up so that I am doing a freebie haul. I have everything set right there, and that is like coming. The pile is working. I'm working through it. So I pulled it closer, and now I'm reaching, and we are going to get past it and through it. We do have those Macy's subscriptions, and yes, another one came. I keep forgetting. I'm not going to cancel it because it's so hard to get on it, or so I've been told. All right, so there you have it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Thank you for being here. Again, if you are new and you have not yet subscribed, please do that on your way out. I would love to have you. It would warm my heart. And until the next one, please remember mental health check-ins. Make sure you're okay. Am I doing okay today? How is my mood today? Is there a pattern coming up? Recognizing it, half the battle. Prevention, okay? And also, in this crazy mixed up world, remember, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. I'm crooked. I have tried so many times. I give up. It is what it is.